Hi guys, welcome back to Pipe versus YouTube channel where curiosity meets the core. Today we'll be discussing about how to generate or even display an image for a particular word we type in. But before that, we'll be checking the packages pre-installed in my system. So the first command that I'm going to execute in command prompt is pip list, where you can see all the packages with the versions so it can give a look about what package is what version and update it accordingly. So you can take a look onto your packages. If not installed, please do install it. You can just Google how to install and there will be a command for that to execute in command prompt. Another command to check for all these is pip freeze, which gives a similar output where packages with the version will be mentioned. So quickly, let's just see the code. So firstly, I'm importing Tkinter, which is required for user interface, and also PIL for image. This is required to opening or manipulating the image folder. So since we are dealing with image, this is required. Let's move on to the class. Here, as you can see, there is one main class, which is class image generator, and under that, many of the functions have been there. So let's go by one. So first one is for the initial GUI window. Second one is for to generate the image. So various images will be given here. And if a word of every thing is typed, one of the function will be called. So I have only two images. So there is fish and a lion. So there is one function for each. One is lion and one is fish. So these are under the image thing, and we have a main loop for starting of the loop. So let's go one by one and see how we have given. So first for the UI display, we have the function of init self roof. So this is basically a class representation. And here what happens is the constructor method that initializes the application window and its components. So the root window of the application and the label, the widget, a button and a canvas is also set. So when you open the or when you start a program, what and all will appear, that and all is set here. And if we go on to the next, so moving on to the next, it's generate image function under the class where we are comparing whatever input we have given as in the bar, no? We get it by self dot entry get lower. We are comparing if that is equal to lion, self draw lion. Now draw lion and it's the next function. And similarly, I've given if the text is equal to fish and the draw fish function has been called. So for your example right now, I've taken only lion and fish. You can add to the data to how much ever thousands of pictures also not an issue. So what happens if the text is equal to lion is it calls the function draw lion as well as if the text is equal to fish, it calls the function fish draw fish. And if the canvas delete all. So if there is anything that is being displayed, another like invalid text which is not supposed to be here, it prints the text invalid text enter, and the font is also been displayed here. Let's move on to what's there in draw lion and draw fish. So let me just highlight what comes under the draw lion. So first of all, if there is like lion image is equal to if it is the text which has been displayed, the image named as lion.jpg opens. So basically, when the folder where you have stored this file, if you save the images as lion.jpg or whatever name you have given, it will display the same image. And next, lion image is equal to the image of what the image should be printed. We are here have given 200 into 200 megapixels, and we are also setting the canvas as 200 into 200, and image is equal to lion photo. So it will be displayed as equal to lion photo, and also cell canvas lion photo. All the things are mentioned as lion photo. Let's go for drawfish. So here in drawfish, it's the same as the draw lion. All the canvas is set, and also the image here has been changed to fish.jpg because it's a different picture, same under the name of fish.jpg, and also the size of the image to be displayed, the size of canvas, which is basically both are same because I want the entire canvas to be filled with the picture, and also the image name is also being printed as fish photo. Now let's go on to the main loop of the program. So here what happens is the entire loop is being run. It's basically an entry point of the program, and it creates a Tkinter root window, initializes the image generator app class, and starts the Tkinter event loop by calling root.mainLoop. The next part is executed only when the function execute of the script is run directly, not when it's imported as a module. So it ensures that it's not separately executing, only when program is called. So let's go on how to open or even run the program is go to where the file is, and you can see both the images that are mentioned in the program is here. One is fish.jpg and lion.jpg. Now let's run the program. So I'm just going to copy the name of the program and open command prompt python space file name dot py. So here you can see no such file directly. Let me just confirm it. Okay, I have not given Python. Okay, so when you give Python space namespace dot py, it should display. And see the GUI is image create generator, enter a text. So you know that lion and fish are the only two images I've given. So you can see there is a board and generate image. The canvas size will be 200 into 200, and also the image size would be 200 into 200. Let's check for fish. So you can see both the images have been displayed. Like this, you can add multiple data sets in one program and make it a good program where you can convert the text into an image. Thank you so much for watching. If you have learned something from this video, please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.